Yeah, the idea came up because climate change is happening on the one side very fast and on the other side very slow. So we want to show students that it's not like the ice ages, that there are mammoths all around Europe, and it takes like 1,000 years, but we won't see antelopes all around Europe in 5 years. So there's a time period of about 10 to 20 years when students can see vital signs of climate change all around Europe. And that's our aim. They should see what's happening here and why it's happening.
This unit has a lot of application because it will be used in different grade of school, because we have different background and we work with different students from different age. So you will work with students from upper secondary school to work on data, so they can use the data, they can create graph and think about how to share it between peers. But also you can work also with younger students for lower secondary school, and the teacher can ask to the students to look at some images of different data and make comparison, so they can work on this even if their mathematical skills are not so high.
And the students like most about the project that they can be self-active, or they get the data from their local area. So like they said, wow, the temperature has already risen about 2.4 degrees here. And they see the data and it's growing up. So they know it's happening where they live, it's not somewhere else, it's their region, their part of Europe. And they also are astonished how easy it is to use this scientific data. So they first say, oh, it's very difficult to work with scientific databases with satellite imagery and so on, but then we present a way that they can really acquire and analyze the data on their own, and so they can be active, they can be part of the problem solution, and that's something a student really like.
I really like to be involved in this project because we were different teachers from different parts of Europe with different background. So we see the same problem, climate change, in a different way, and we can work with our students on different problems. Another very nice thing is that we are coming from different parts of Europe, so we can have proof that climate change is happening all around Europe and the world, unfortunately.